How integrated are your project tools with your design work? Assigning tasks and building schedules are one thing, but what about a platform that unifies business processes with CAD? In the 3D Experience platform, the project summary gives leaders and stakeholders progress updates, task burndown, and resource usage. Project tasks inevitably involve interdependencies. The schedule view simplifies the traditional Gantt chart, easily add dependencies, update timelines, and visualize milestones. Project planning with 3D Experience is a seamless part of your design work because CAD data is attached directly to tasks. This reduces risk of confusion with this assignment or where to find the files. Tasks are a simple way to track my to-do, in progress, and done work. And tasks are accessible across apps and even through notifications, making it convenient to update progress. Project planning on 3D Experience keeps team members and stakeholders up to date and on schedule, while eliminating the need to manually integrate disconnected tools.